When a storm comes around, lightning could make an appearance. But do you know what causes lightning to happen? Meteorologist Claire Fry is here to raise your weather IQ.
Well, we all know what lightning is, but do you know why it happens? Well, you're about to find out in this week's Weather IQ. It all begins with a thunderstorm. When warm, moist air rises quickly, it cools, forming water droplets and ice particles. As these particles bump into each other, they create an electrical charge. The top of the storm cloud builds into a positive charge, while the bottom becomes negatively charged. While lightning is forming, air acts as an insulator between the positive charges in the cloud and between the cloud and the ground. The air tries to act as a barrier, but once the electrical difference becomes too great, boom, lightning strikes. It's nature's way of balancing those charges. As lightning passes through the air, it can heat the air to 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. In the United States, there are around 25 million flashes each year. Lightning is still one of the top weather killers in the United States. Bottom line, lightning is dangerous and you have to be safe. Whenever you hear thunder, you're close enough to possibly being struck. Think of this, the sound of thunder travels about a mile every 5 seconds. If you count the seconds between the flash of lightning and the crack of thunder and then divide by 5, you get the number of miles away the storm is from you. Lightning can travel more than 10 miles away from the thunderstorm, even striking in areas where the sky may have already cleared. You've likely heard it before, but I'm going to say it again. When thunder roars, head indoors. That'll do it for this week's Weather IQ. I'm meteorologist Claire Fry.